I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to dispute a withdrawal on your HSBC app, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Open the HSBC app. Launch the HSBC app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged in with your credentials to access your account details. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once you're logged in, go to the Account section and select the account with the disputed withdrawal. Look for the Transactions tab to view your recent activity. Step 3. Find the withdrawal. Scroll through your transaction history to locate the specific withdrawal you want to dispute. Tap on it to see more details. Step 4. Initiate the dispute. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Quick gotcha, make sure to double check the date and amount before submitting your dispute to avoid any errors. Step 5. Submit and confirm. After filling out the dispute form, review your information and submit it. You should receive a confirmation message or email regarding your dispute. I hope this helps you resolve any issues with your withdrawals. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.